the dimensions of physics. In this class, let us derive the equation of wave. For this, let us consider a sinusoidal wave. On x-axis, we are taking time. On y-axis, we are taking the displacement of the particle. As we know the basic information of wave, we know that the maximum displacement taken by the particle is called amplitude. Amplitude here we are denoting with the capital A, and the distance between two successive crests, either the two successive throats, is called a wavelength. A wavelength here we are denoting with lambda, and the particle the time which taken to complete its one complete oscillation is called a time period. Here time period we are denoting with capital T. This is about the basic information about wave. To better understanding this equation, let me consider this sine wave into a circular motion of the particle. For this, let me consider it a circular motion. For this, again it is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. On x-axis here I am considering a point with the time instant of t is equals to 0. Then automatically the displacement of the particle x is also 0. If suppose if you assuming this particle moves from here to here at the time instant t is equals to t1, the displacement y is equals to x1 happened. For example, it is this particle making this angle with this x-axis is theta, for example, and the displacement taken by the particle is x1 here. From this particle, let me draw a normal onto the y-axis. So these are two identical triangles. We know that in two identical triangles, if it is theta, then it is also theta. If it is x1, then this is also x1. From this triangle, let me consider a sine theta. Sine theta is equals to x1 by this radius of the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but the radius of this circle. This radius of circle, when the particle moves from here to here, that means when it reaches its amplitude, the radius is equals to the amplitude of this wave. So let me write in the place of r capital A. So this is about the sine theta. As we know that theta is equals to omega t. Omega here the angular velocity. Angular velocity and into time is equals to the displacement taken by the particle in angular motion. Angular motion generally we consider radians. So that let me write in the place of theta sine omega t. Sine omega t is equals to x1 by a sine omega t is equals to x1 a. This is the general equation for the particle which taken displacement at the any time instant of t. We can consider this function, but practically what is happening here, if we want to find out the determine the displacement of the particle at the time instantaneous time of t1, the time doesn't place here. The time it is move bit faster than the what we are expected time, so that the time is move forward a bit forward, that is at the t is equals to t. So let me consider the difference between t and t here. Delta t is equals to t minus t1. Let us consider this t in this equation. In the place of t is sine omega t. In the place of t, let me consider t minus t1. This is the difference between practically we denoted time and theoretically denoted time t1 is equals to x1 a sine omega. We know that omega is equals to sine 2 phi f. 2 phi f t minus t1 is equals to x1. A sin omega, a sin 2 phi f t of t minus t1. From this we can get that t1. We know that v is equals to x1 by t1 at the time instant of t1. Let me write t1 is equals to x1 by v, and we know that v is equals to x1 by lambda f. We know that v is equals to lambda f. From this we are let me write in the place of lambda f. In the place let me write x1 by lambda f is equals to x1. A sin 2 phi f t minus x1 lambda f into 2 phi f is equals to x1. Let us cancellate f and f here. A sin 2 phi f t minus x1 by 2 phi by lambda is equals to x1. Again let me write in the place of 2 phi f omega t minus t phi by lambda, 2 phi by lambda into x1 is equals to x1. A sin omega t minus 2 phi by lambda. 2 phi lambda, it is constant. 2 phi is nothing but 360 degrees. 360 degrees by lambda. Lambda is always constant for any particular wave, so that this is constant. In the place of 2 phi by lambda, let me write a constant of k into x1 is equals to x1. This is the general wave equation for the wave. So that a sin omega t, we know that for the to write a general equation at the any time of instant, we can the displacement taken k into x on the in the place the displacement of y in terms of x and t. So what is the wave equation? Y of x t is equals to a sin omega t minus kx. This is the equation for wave, general wave equation. Okay, thank you.